From the Radar Suite and Paradime, you have the ability to access the Schedules dashboard to keep track of your DBT schedules. This dashboard is specifically designed to provide you with a deep understanding of your DBT schedule performance. The goal here is to help you enhance the efficiency and reliability of your data pipeline. Let's start with the Overview section, which showcases key metrics such as the total number of executed schedules and the total minutes of executed DBT runs. These metrics provide a quick overview of the overall usage and allow you to monitor trends over time. Next, you have the opportunity to keep an eye on the daily success and error rates of your DBT runs. This allows you to identify patterns and assess performance. Hover over the chart to view individual successes and errors of DBT runs. Following this, the Executed Runs by DBT Actor displays how resources are distributed across different execution types, such as bolt runs completed, scheduler, and manual runs. You can also check the current schedule count by owner. This is useful for ensuring a balanced distribution of schedules among team members. Underneath that, in the Scheduled Runs hourly distribution, you can observe when scheduled runs are most frequent throughout the day. This information is crucial for identifying peak usage times and provides insights for optimizing scheduling to avoid resource bottlenecks. Adjacent to this, you can view the schedules with the highest number of execution errors. This can aid you in troubleshooting and enhancing overall pipeline reliability. Lastly, you can monitor the scheduled run performance of individual schedules. For instance, you can view the maximum runtime, the average runtime, and the minimum runtime for each individual DBT schedule. Moving forward, in the Detailed section, you can dive deeper and conduct a more thorough analysis. For instance, you can select an individual schedule, such as temporal workflows, and view high-level metrics like the schedule success rate, the number of completions, and the errors. Below that, you can see the average runtimes of the individual models within that schedule. This offers insights into which models are the most time-consuming so you can make necessary optimizations. Scrolling down, the Schedule Execution Time by invoked DBT commands provides a breakdown of the individual commands within the schedule, like DBT Run, DBT Test, and so on. Finally, you can get a more granular view on the individual models executed in the DBT run within this table.